Cook County's latest tax delay is a bigger problem than people realize. Property tax bills are late again, but the real issue is what's happening underneath. Commercial property values in Chicago's core have dropped, which means the tax burden is shifting onto homeowners and smaller businesses. For suburban owners, investors, and anyone watching the market, this affects pricing, budgets, and long-term growth. If you're planning moves in 2025, keep an eye on this. The ripple effect is coming.